just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. AirSurf welcomes you to Manila. We are now proceeding to the Manila Domestic Airport Terminal 4 for your proper disembarkation. Your safety is of primary importance to us, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please do not stand up to get your bags or go to the lavatory until you're advised that it is safe to do so. Before deplaning, please check your surroundings including seat pockets and overhead compartments.